In this video, you will learn how to screenshot on Microsoft Teams, open Microsoft Teams, launch the Teams app on desktop or mobile device, then navigate to the screen you want to capture. Prepare the screen. Make sure the chat or meeting or window you want to screenshot is clearly visible without any extra distractions. Use the screenshot shortcut. On Windows, press Print Screen or Windows, then Shift, then S. On Mac, press the command Shift and 4. On mobile, use your phone's screenshot button. Capture the desired area. If you're using a snipping tool or sectioning method, drag and highlight the extra area of the team screen you want to see. Save the screenshot. On Windows or Mac, the screenshot will automatically save and prompts you to choose a location to save it to. On mobile, it goes to your gallery or Photos app. Share your screenshot. Upload the screenshot directly in your Teams chat, email or store it in files for later use. Now you know how to screenshot on Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.